Feeling stiff, sore, or constantly tired? Spend just 10 minutes a day with this simple daily stretch routine. It will unlock your flexibility, relieve body tension, and boost your energy throughout the day. Let's get started.
First, neck and shoulder rolls. Slowly roll your head to the right side. Now switch, rolling smoothly to the left. Remember to breathe deeply. Finish by rolling your shoulders back to release all the tension in your upper body.
Great start! Take a quick breath. Up next, standing side stretch. Now for the standing side stretch. Reach your arms straight up and lean gently to the right. Hold it briefly, bring it back to center, and now lean smoothly over to your left side. Feel that great stretch along your torso. Take a deep breath and return to standing position. Awesome job! Take a quick breath and get down onto your hands and knees for the cat-cow stretch. Take a quick breath, get down, get onto your hands and knees for the cat-cow stretch. Inhale deeply, drop your belly down, lift your chest high into cow pose. Keep flowing smoothly between the two movements. Feel your entire spine loosen up. Fantastic! Take a quick breath and sink down into child's pose.
Back on your heels. Stretch your arms long. Rest your forehead on the mat. Inhale deeply. Relax your shoulders. And feel the stretch down your spine.
Hold this position for a few more seconds and let all the stress melt away. Great stretch! Now lie flat on your stomach for the Cobra stretch. Press your hands down and lift your chest up into Cobra pose. Keep your shoulders relaxed and open your heart. Hold it right here. Breathe deeply and feel the stretch opening up your back and core. You did an amazing job today. Do this daily to stay flexible and pain-free. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more routines.